Hey guys, it's Cassie and I just came from the Gucci Balenciaga pop-up in London and I got two things. So I'm going to be doing an unboxing and a review. I'm going to try them on. I'm going to tell you all of the details and all of that to do with this hacker project. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Guys, if you are new here, my name is Cassie and I'm a self-diagnosed luxury addict. I put out videos on Mondays, Wednesdays and Fridays, so if you like luxury fashion, then you're going to love it here. So head down there, subscribe, turn on the bell, become a member of our luxury addicted family. When are we going to rehab? Never. Guys, are you ready? Let's go! Basically, for this collaboration, Gucci has a pop-up in Shoreditch in London that they have, oh my gosh, completely pimped out for this collaboration, and all of the pieces are available to buy there. As of the day that I'm filming this, which is the 15th, it's available online for purchase. Now, some of the items, when you click on them, they're like not available in online, find in store. So one of the pieces that I bought today was one of those. And then other pieces you can readily buy, okay? Now, there were some standout hot pieces from this collection that were always going to be the hardest to get. Bags-wise, the small Gucci Balenciaga hourglass bag, that was always going to be the hottest. There was one particular jacket that I was after that you'll see, maybe I got it today, that's not available online. I've heard in the US it's sold out everywhere. In the UK, I believe they had a couple of sizes. I don't know if they were on hold for clients, but they did have like a couple. All of the stock is very limited. Even like for the shoes, they only had one of each size available. As part of this collection, you have the Gucci side, you have the Balenciaga side. I have always been more interested in the Gucci side. Personally, the Balenciaga side isn't really for me. They have some cool pieces, but it was the Gucci side that I was like, I have to have. I got one accessory. Oh, the packaging is amazing. I'm going to be going through it all. Do not you worry. Do not you worry. Yeah. Don't you worry. Yeah, that's the same thing. Okay. And then, obviously, I got, oh my gosh, how do I even show you? One piece of ready to wear. I did want to share how I got, especially this one piece. This was very much a impulse purchase, but for the ready to wear piece that I got, I let my Gucci sales associates know right from the get-go, this is what I'm interested in, I need it, I have to have it. I was able to put a 5% deposit down, but basically it wasn't guaranteed. They said, we don't know how many we're going to get in, and we have a waiting list. This deposit puts you on the waiting list, but then we have to see if we have enough to accommodate you. Thankfully they did. I'll be talking to you about the prices and I'll try on and everything. Okay, let's do the small one first. This was my impulse purchase. Okay, let's also go through the packaging. So, oh my gosh, you have the standard Gucci packaging mixed with the Balenciaga packaging. I mean, look, even the ribbon on it has Gucci Balenciaga. I think that they've done it very well, like with the packaging. All of the quality of the pieces was magnificent. I will most certainly be keeping all of the packaging from this. What am I going to do with it? I'm not entirely sure, but I need to keep it. Okay, it's limited edition. Now, we pop the trunk, okay? We open her up. And what's this? Oh, she's in a fun little... Also, look at that. The Balenciaga print on the inside. Are you seeing this? On the inside of the box. Come on, Cassie. Do a better job at showing. See? All the Balenciaga on the inside. Okay, so she's in this long pouch, right? She's swimming around in there. Give us a second. Oh, what is this? Oh, stop. Oh my gosh. It's incredible. Okay, I did not intend to buy this at all. My wonderful essay, shout out to you, brought this out and I was like, I was going to put some money towards like Black Friday sales and everything, but to be honest with you, there was nothing in particular. So it would have been impulse sale purchasing. So I thought, you know what, sod it. Let me instead buy something that is very me, I'm going to get a lot of use out of, and it's limited edition. Come on. So, look at her. This glorious silver chain with the gold Balenciaga letters, right? All of them have crystals, and then the G is a Gucci G. Stop. She's a choker. And look, I don't need to tell you that I'm about to rinse the hell out of this necklace. It's like a Cinderella moment. I saw her in the viewfinder. Stop! How could I not? How could I not? Do you want to know the other thing that pushed me over the edge was the price? Because I had recently tried on a Gucci choker. I'll put a picture of it here from the Aria collection that was really, really cute. But it was like 1,000, what, like 300, 400? So this one was 1,060, and I thought, I'm sorry, this has so much more heft than the other one. It's the limited edition, it's part of the Hacker project, all of that. I'm a sucker for limited edition, okay? I'm not even going to apologise for it, okay? I'm sorry, they've got me, call me a sucker, I'm a marketer's dream, I don't care. They could have charged a lot more for this than they are. Look at her, look at her. You know I love a simple look with a pop, and she is the pop. She is the pop, she is the moment. I feel like royalty, I feel like some sort of queen sitting on a throne with her choker. Just stop. Isn't this everything? This is so me. This is very me, very on brand. Do you want to know what? This as well is a really nice weight. It's heavy, it doesn't feel cheap. I'm just going to love every single second of wearing it. And that is the most important thing with all of this stuff, is that you feel amazing wearing it. And I just feel like a royalty. And now, the moment that we've all been waiting for. Well, maybe not you, but me. The moment that I've been waiting for since I knew that this jacket existed. It's the sodding jacket, we know this. Okay, even the tissue paper is the Gucci 100 Aria paper. I feel again like as though I should keep this, but what am I going to do with it? It's just going to sit and then just sort of discolour over time. That's probably not worth keeping. Okay. Oh my gosh. Even look at the sodding. Oh my gosh. The suit carrier is half Gucci, half Balenciaga. Honestly, I love the packaging that they've done for this collaboration. I think that they've just done it really well and in a really fun, interesting way. Where are you? Please release yourself. Okay, there you go. Okay, so there you go. This is it all in one. It's half. Very cute. We love. Okay? You ready? Do you want to know what? As soon as my essay brought it out, I was just like, this is my child. This is everything. It's just so me. This is the sodding jacket. It's the sodding jacket. Are you seeing it? I'm going to put it on so that we get a better view, but stop! Oh my gosh, it's like a canvas. You've got that sodding GG canvas with the Balenciaga like printed on, and then you have these kind of black panels. You've got two pockets at the front. You've got a hood with a peak, which did we need the little cap bit? Anyway, we'll see when I try it on. You have got toggles all over the shop. You've also got a right contraption inside, but look, even on the tag you've got Gucci, Balenciaga. It's just all of these details. Like, if you're going to do it properly, you know. So you've got Velcro fastening here, hiding the zip. There you go. Release yourself. And there we go. Oh, the inside. Thank you for the Gucci hanger. The inside. Now, there's a contraption here, which we're going to have to figure out together. I think this is the bit that makes it like off the shoulder wearable. We'll figure it out. I'm new to this. I'm new to it. You've got the massive Gucci silk lined. I got this in a size 38. 38, okay? You've got toggles from the inside so you can really manipulate this jacket however you want. Should we try her on? Stop. Oh, the viewfinder. I'm sorry. I just keep seeing myself in the viewfinder and she's everything I wanted her to be and more. It's such a good weight. So for layering for like a winter situation, you can layer her up and obviously kill it. So what is happening here? So this, do we tuck in? Do you hang? Okay, right. We'll figure that out. Oh, you've got an inside pocket where you can keep secrets and small snacks that you don't want to share with anybody. Okay, we all have those, let's not lie. Right, now, let's zip her up and see what she looks like. Let's undo that. There's no way I'm returning you, my love. Not in a million years. Okay, Zippy McZipperson. Come on. Sodding nails in the way. You're embarrassing me here. Right. Oh god, hair. I'm flustered, but we're getting it done. Okay. This is her bundled up. Where are we? There we are. This is her sodding bundled up, right? She's got her hands in her pockets. Look, I'm going to be wearing it open most of the time, right? But just the vibes, people. The vibes are immaculate, okay? Stop. Get rid. Get rid. Open. Open yourself, please. You're embarrassing me again, please. Okay, even just this. Just this. She's here with a plain top and jeans. Put her on. Put her on. Give her a sodding moment. The only thing with this is that she has to be the pièce de résistance. Let's not overpower her. Let's not have her competing with other pieces in the look. No, 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 no. Look, there's no point in competing. She's going to win, all right? So we've got to make sure that we give her space to shine. I also like how inside the wrists you've got this bit, right? So it feels a little bit more secure. Now, and just like all the detail, let's put the hood up. Let's put the hood up for the kids, just to get a visual. Am I ever going to wear it like this? Probably not. I look like an idiot. However, the option is there should I want it. Now, let's figure out this thing at the back. So, we have strip. We attach strip to popper. What does this allow us to do? I have no idea. Right, if I do that, then she's across. Ah, is this it? Is this it? Ooh, she might be an off-the-shoulder woman. Is this it? Do I look ridiculous? Probably. I look ridiculous most of the time. Aha! I think that's it, right? So you can... We love a girl that gives us options. You know what? I'm kind of into that. I think I'm into it. Oh my gosh. You are not going to stop seeing me in this jacket. It's going to become a problem. I'm going to be bringing this out every opportunity. Right, so if I don't want this then, and I just want to, live my life, does she disappear in somewhere? Does she live somewhere? Does she clip onto something else? There's all these sodding toggles if you wanted to tighten things. But you could just put it through the armhole if you wanted to really make sure nobody was going to see it. Oh, hey. I love this sodding jacket. She was worth it. I haven't told you how much she was, have I? Okay, so this jacket was £2,700. I believe it's retailing in the US for $4,500. Is it a sodding expensive jacket? Yes, it is. Right, but the last expensive jacket, this is me trying to justify it to myself, apart from the fact that it's very me and I don't need to justify it to anybody, right? The last time I bought an expensive jacket was this time last year, so it's been a year, I could not let this go. Look at her. Guys, let me know what you thought of my purchases. They're very me, aren't they? They're so me. I love them. I can't wait to wear them. I'm going to leave a link to another video here in case you haven't already seen it. Have an amazing morning, afternoon or evening wherever you are. And in the words of my father...
If you've enjoyed it, tell your friends. If you haven't, keep your mouth shut.
I will see you in my next video. Mwah! Bye, guys.